Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create run shortcut on desktop in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button somewhere in the desktop and then you need to go to new. Here you need to select shortcut option and then here we need to type code that I included in description of this video. After that we need to click next and we need to type a name for this one shortcut. So I type here run.x and after that I click finish. Now I click right mouse button on it and then I go to properties. Here you need to change bookmark from general to shortcut and you need to go to change icon settings. Now I select this one icon and I click OK. Now I click apply and I click OK. So it is now ready to use. If you will open it, the run window will be successfully displayed here. It's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.